So let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 5 of chapter number 3, playing with numbers. In this session we will complete NCERT exercise 3.3. We'll start with question number 2, exercise 3.3, question number 2. I planned to give homework, question number 1 as homework. Okay, so question number 2 देखो. Using divisibility tests, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. So let us recapitulate the divisibility rule by 4. If last two digit number is either 0 or divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. And for 8, last three digit number, if it is 0, all three digit numbers, last three digit numbers, or if it is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. So this is the divisibility rule by 4. So let us start with the first question, that is 572. So for 4, what we will do, we will check the last two digit number, that is 72, whether it is divisible by 4 or not. सो एक मिनट देखेंगे, यहाँ पे मैं ऑलरेडी करके दिखला रहा हूँ. 4 1s are 4. Now the remain, if you subtract you will get 3 and you have to drop 2 here. Now 4 8s are 32, right? So we are getting remainder 0. That means it is divisible by, the last two digit is divisible by 4. Right now, since 72, the last two place digit 72 is divisible by 4, therefore the number is also divisible by 4. Okay, now we'll check for 8. So for 8 we have to check last three digit number. So ये number already three digit number है, so we will check the complete number, three digit number. Okay, so 8 first 7s are 56, right? Now 12 is not divisible by 8, right? So हम लोग को यहाँ पे एक रिमाइंडर मिल जाएगा. अगर 1 से to 8 1s are 8 लेंगे तो रिमाइंडर 4 मिलेगा. So that means 572 is not divisible by 8. So since it is not 572 is not divisible by 8, the number is also not divisible by 8. In fact, the number is also same, 572. So this is the first question. Second question, first bit of second question. Now we'll move toward the second bit, right? So second bit is this one, 7,26,352. Right. Now what is the last two digit number here?
52.
52, right? So now for divisibility test for 4 we will check with 52 only. So 52 को divide करके देख लेते हैं 4 से, right? So 4 से divide कर रहे हैं तो 4 3s are 12. So यहाँ पे 12 आ गया, so that means remainder is 0, right? So last two digit number, that is 52, is divisible by
13.
4. So since 52 is divisible by 4, therefore 7,26,352 is also divisible by 4. Now we have to check for last three digit number. So 352, last three place digit is 352. So इसको हम लोग 8 से divide करके देख रहे हैं. देखो 8 4s are 32. So again we are getting 32. So 8 4s are, so हम लोग को 444 मिल रहा है, remainder 0. That means 352 is divisible by 8. Now since 352 is divisible by 8, therefore the number is also divisible by 8. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards question number C bit. C bit 5,500. Now last two place digit is 00. So already I told you that for divisibility test by 4, if the last two digit place is 00 or it is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Now since last two digit are 00, hence 5,500 is divisible by 4. Okay, now we have to check for 8. So 8 के लिए हम लोग को last three place digit check करना पड़ेगा, right? So 500 को 8 से divide करके check करना पड़ेगा. So we are going to divide it by 8. So 8 6 are 48. Again we are getting here 12. So 1 remainder 4. So that means it is not divisible by 8. 500 is not divisible by 8. So
Eight.
therefore the number is not divisible by 8.
8.
So this is C bit. Now the next D bit. Now this is very easy because last 2-digit number is 0. So therefore it is divisible by 4. And last 3-digit number is also 0. So therefore it is divisible by 8 also. Right? Now E bit. 12,159. Now last place digit is 59. Okay, so 59 is an odd number, and the number which is divisible by 4 and 8 should be even number. So यहीं पे हम लोग conclude कर सकते हैं कि last 2 digit जो है 59 is not divisible by 4. Right? 59 are the last 2 digits. Since 59 is not divisible by 4, therefore 12,159 is also not divisible by 4. Right? मैं फिर से repeat कर रहा हूँ. Since this number is an odd number, therefore we can directly claim that it is not divisible by 4 and not divisible by 8, because the number divisible by 4 and 8 is an even number. Unit place में even number होना चाहिए. Right, so it is also not divisible by 8. 159 is also not divisible by 8. So therefore the number 12,159 is also not divisible by 8. So this is the E bit. Now we are moving towards the F bit. 14,560. Now the last place digit is 60. 60. 60 4 से divide होता है. 15 into 4. Right? So 60 is, since 60 is divisible by 4, therefore the number 14,560 is also divisible by 4. Now we have to check for 8. So 8 के लिए ध्यान से देखो, see carefully. 8 7s are 56 होता है. So 560 भी 8 से divide होगा, 70 मिलेगा. If you divide it by 8, you will get 70. So 560 is divisible by 8. Now since 560 is divisible by 8, therefore the number is also divisible by 8. ये समझ में आया सबको? This
Yes,
one?
sir.
Okay. Now next bit G. 21,084. Now the last 2-digit number is 84. 84 4 से divide हो रहा है. एक बार check कर लेते हैं. 4 2s are 8. Now 0 4. 4 1s are 4. So this number is divisible by 4. Now since 84 is divisible by 4, therefore 21,084 is also divisible by 4. Now we have to check for 8. So 8 के लिए ध्यान से देखो. 084. 84 is not divisible by 8 because 8 into 10 is 80 and the next multiple of 8 is 88. So last 3-digit number is not divisible by 8. So therefore the number is also not divisible by 8. So this is G bit. Now we'll move towards the next question, that is H1. So 3 crore 17 lakhs 95,072 and last 2 place digit is 72. So 72 4 से divide हो रहा है. एक बार check कर लेते हैं. 4 1s are 4. We'll get if you subtract you will get 3 2. Now 4 8s are 32. So remainder is 0. That means 72 is divisible by 4. Now since 72 is divisible by 4, the number is also divisible by 4. Now we have to check for 8. 8 के लिए ध्यान से देखो, what is the last 3 place digits? 72. 72. 72 8 का टेबल में आता है. 8 9s are. Okay. So 72 is divisible by 8 also. So therefore the number is also divisible by 8. So now we are moving towards the I bit, 1700. Now since the last two place digits are 0, therefore the number is divisible by 4, and the last three place digit is 700. 700 एक बार 8 से डिवाइड हो रहा है कि नहीं चेक कर लेते हैं, राइट. सो 8 8s are 64. If you subtract, you will get 6 and 0 यहाँ पे ड्रॉप करो. Now 8 7s are 56. So we'll get remainder 4. That means it is not divisible by 8. 700 is not divisible by 8. So therefore the number is also not divisible by 8. Okay. Now the last question, 2150. Last place digit is 50. टू प्लेस डिजिट्स. सो 50 जो है वो 4 से डिवाइड हो रहा है कि नहीं एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. 4 1s are 4, सब्ट्रैक्ट किए तो 1 आया, 0 को ड्रॉप किए यहाँ पर. 4 2s are 8. So we are getting 2 remainder. So it is divisible or not?
Sir, not.
Not.
No.
Okay. So since 50 is not divisible by 4, therefore the number is also not divisible by 4. Now we have to check for 8. 8 के लिए एक बार चेक करते हैं हम लोग, ध्यान से देखो. We are checking for 8 also. 8 1s are 8 first. If you subtract, you will get 7. 0 ड्रॉप कर दिए. Now 8 8s are 64. So here we are getting remainder 6. So that means 150 is also not divisible by 8. Now since 150 is not divisible by 8, therefore the number 2150 is also not divisible by 8. So this is question number 2. Right, now we are moving towards question number 3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. So थोड़ा सा recapitulate कर लेते हैं. Let us recapitulate the divisibility test by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. So 6 के चेकिंग के लिए हम लोग को 2 से चेक करना पड़ेगा और 3 से चेक करना पड़ेगा, राइट. सो अब 2 से कैसे चेक करेंगे, थोड़ा से वो भी रिकैप्चुलेट कर लेते हैं बाय सीइंग द यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट. अगर यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट 0 2 4 6 8 होगा, then the number is divisible by 2. So let us recapitulate the divisibility test by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. चलो start करते हैं first bit. Now since the last unit place digit is 4, therefore the number is divisible by 2. Now we will add the digits of this number, all the digits. So by adding all the digits, what you are getting, ये सारे digits add करने के बाद क्या मिल रहा है देखो.
27.
27, right, very good. So by adding all the digits of a number, we get 27, and 27 is divisible by 3. So therefore the number is also divisible by 3. अब देखो ये 2,97,144 2 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है, 3 से भी. So the number is divisible by 6 also, right? The number is divisible by both 2 and 3, hence the number is divisible by 6. Any doubt in first question?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now second question. 1258. What is the unit place digit?
8.
8.
8.
So this is an even number. Even number. That means it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now we'll add all the digits. पूरा digits add करके check करेंगे कितना आ रहा है.
16.
16, right. 16 3 से divide नहीं होता है. 16 is not divisible by 3. So the number is not divisible by 3. Now what is the result? The number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. ठीक है. So therefore the number is not divisible by 6. 6 से डिवाइड होने के लिए तो दोनों नंबर से डिवाइड होना है. ये क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next number 4,335. Now what is the unit place digit here?
Five.
5.
5.
Now see, 5 is not an even number, so it is not divisible
Yes.
by 2. Okay, clear? Now we have to add all the numbers. What you are getting?
15.
15. 15 is divisible by 5.
Yes, sir.
So the number is also divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 3. So therefore the number is also divisible by 3. But the number is not divisible by 2. 6 के लिए दोनों से divide होना चाहिए. The number should divisible by both 2 and 3. So what is our conclusion? Hence, the number is not divisible by 6. Okay? 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है लेकिन 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए नंबर 6 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट नंबर 61,233. Now what is the unit place digit?
3.
3, right? So the last unit, the unit place digit of the number is 3, which is not divisible by 2. Hence
Yes.
the number is also not divisible by 2.
Yes.
If we add, what we are getting?
15.
15. Right. So 15 it is divisible by 3. So
Yes.
hence the number is also divisible by 3. So what is our conclusion? That the number is divisible by 3 but not 2. Hence the number is not divisible by 6. Right?
Yes, sir.
और एक चीज मैं बता रहा हूं, अगर 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है तो यहीं पे हम लोग इसको कंक्लूड कर सकते थे, बिकॉज इफ इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय आइदर 2 or 3, then definitely it is not divisible by 6. So we can conclude here only. Okay, you just for practice I am checking for 3 also. Okay, so now the next number is 9,01,352. So what is the unit place digit?
2.
2.
2.
Yes, 2 is an even number. So that is why
Yes, sir.
the number is divisible by 2. Now
Yes, sir.
add all the numbers.
20.
20. So 20 3 से divide नहीं होता है.
Yes, sir.
Right? So the number is also not divisible by 3. Now the number is not divisible by both 2 and 3. So hence the number is not divisible by 6. Next question. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. अब F bit पे आते हैं हम लोग. 4,38,750. Now what is the unit place digit?
0.
0. I told you that the unit place digit, if it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is an even number. Number is divisible by 2. So this number is also divisible by 2. Now add all the digits what you are getting.
27.
27. Very good. So 27 3 से divide होता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the number is also divisible by 3. So
Yes.
this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Hence 4,38,750 is divisible by 6. Okay. So now we are moving toward the next question. 17,90,184. What is the unit place digit here?
4.
4 is an even number. So the number is divisible by 2. Right.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the sum of all the digits?
30.
30. 30. 30 is divisible by 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the number is also divisible by 3. अगर दोनों, अब देखो दोनों 2 और 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, number is divided by divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore the number is also divisible by 6. Next number 12,583. Now the unit place digit is 3, which is an odd number. So it is not divisible by 3.
Yes, sir.
So the number is also not divisible by not divisible by 2.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Unit place में यहाँ पे 3 है, which is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2.
Yes, sir.
So अगर 2 से डिवाइड नहीं करा तो यहीं पे हम लोग कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं कि वो 6 से भी डिवाइड नहीं करेगा. But let us check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Add all the digits.
19.
19.
19.
So 19 is not divisible by 3.
Yes,
So the
sir.
number is not divisible by 3. So the number is not divisible by 2 also and 3 also. Hence 12,583 is not divisible by 6. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now the next question, 6,39,210. What is the unit place digit?
0.
0. That means it is divisible by 2. Now add all the digits.
21.
21. 21 3 से divide होता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So the number is also divisible by 3. So we conclude that the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Hence the number is divisible by 6. Okay. अब last bit पे आ जाते हैं इस question का. 17,852. What is the unit place digit?
2.
2. So that is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now add all the digits.
23. 24.
23.
Wait. 23, right. So 23 is not divisible by 3. So
Yes, sir.
2 से divide हो रहा है but 3 से divide नहीं हो रहा है. So the number is not divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay?
Sir.
So hence the number is not divisible by 6. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards question number 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो. Unit sum of odd place digits और sum of even place digits निकालेंगे. Then we will find the difference. अगर difference 0 आया तो 11 से डिवाइड होगा. अगर डिफरेंस जो है वो 11 का मल्टीपल है, जैसे 11, 22, 33, then also it is divisible by 11. Okay, so let us start with the first question, 5,445. So what are the unit odd place digits? What are the odd place digits?
5, 4.
Right, 5 and 4. And what is the sum?
9.
9, right. 5 plus 4, 9. And even place digits?
4 and 5.
4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 is also 9.
18.
9. 18 कहाँ से हो गया? अब difference निकालना है. We have to find the difference of these two. What is the difference of these two?
0.
0, right. Now since the difference between sum of digits at even place and odd place is 0, therefore the number is divisible by 11. Okay, let us see the next question, 10,824. Now what are the odd place digits?
1, 8, 4.
1, 8, 4. 1 plus 8 plus 4. How much it is?
13.
13, right. Now unit even place digits?
0, 2.
0, 2. So 0 plus 2?
2.
Right. Now what is the difference between these two?
11.
11. Right. So 11 is divisible by 11. Right. Since the difference between sum of digits at odd places and even places is 11, which is divisible by 11. So therefore the number is also divisible by 11. C bit. Now C bit. 71 lakhs 38,965. Now what are the odd place digits?
7, 3, 9, 5.
7, 3, 9,
9,
5. So 7, 3, 9, 5. What is the sum?
24.
24, right. Now sum at odd even places. 1,
1, 8, 6.
6.
6. 1, 8.
What is the sum?
15.
15. Now what is the difference between 24 and 15? 24 minus 15. We are getting
9.
9. Very good. So 9 is not divisible by 11. Now since The difference between sum of digits at odd places and even places is 9, which is not divisible by 11. Hence, the number is also not divisible by 11. Okay, now D bit पे आ जाते हैं. Right? 7 crore 1,69,308. Now, what are the odd place digits?
7190.
7, 1,
9
9,
0.
0. Okay. And even place digits? 0, 6, 3,
3
8.
8.
So the sum of digits at even places is 8, 8638. Sorry, 0, 6, 3, 8. What is the sum?
17.
17. Right, very good. Now sum of the digits at odd places.
17.
17. Very good. So what is the difference?
0.
0. Now since the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and even places is 0, therefore the number is also divisible by 11. Okay. So now the next question. What is the even place digit, odd place digits here?
1, 0, 0,
See,
0,
these are odd place, and wherever I am underlined, that is even place. So what is the sum of digits at odd place?
1,
1. Even place?
1,
1. Right. So difference?
2.
Difference 0. 1 minus 1. So since the difference between sum of digits at odd places and even places is 0, therefore the number is divisible by 11. Now let us move toward the last question, that is F bit. 9,01,153. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब एक मिनट इधर देखो. किसी किसी बुक में यहाँ से ऑड प्लेसेस काउंट हुआ है. 1, 2,
1,
3. ओके. और यहाँ से इवन प्लेसेस 1, 2, 3. So don't confuse with that one, because you will get the same result either if you start from left side or right side. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
चलो इसको राइट साइड से करके देखते हैं. देखो, राइट साइड से काउंट करोगे तो दिस इज फर्स्ट प्लेस, दिस इज सेकेंड, दिस इज थर्ड प्लेस, दिस इज फोर्थ प्लेस, एंड दिस इज फिफ्थ प्लेस, एंड दिस इज सिक्स्थ प्लेस. ओके. इसमें ऑड प्लेस डिजिट्स ये सब आ रहे हैं जहाँ पे मैं अभी टिक कर रहा हूँ. 3, 1, 0. 3 plus 1 plus 0.
Sir, 4.
4, right. And even place digits 5 plus 1 plus 9.
15.
15. Now difference
11.
11, right.
11.
Now see, यही मैं बोल रहा था कि किसी किसी कुछ बुक्स में ये जो पोजीशन है वो राइट टू लेफ्ट दिया हुआ, और बहुत सारे बुक्स में यूजुअली लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ होता है. तो आंसर गलत नहीं आएगा क्योंकि डिफरेंस उतना ही मिलेगा. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Since
sir.
the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and even places is 11, which is divisible by 11, so therefore the number is divisible by 11. So this is the fourth question. Now we are moving toward the fifth question. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. Right? So 3 से divide जो नंबर होते हैं उनका जो सम ऑफ डिजिट्स है वो 3 से डिवाइड होता है. सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल फाइंड द सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स फर्स्ट. सो व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ द गिवन डिजिट्स?
19.
19, राइट. सो अब यहाँ पे कोई नंबर रखना है हम लोग को. अभी मैं यहाँ पे क्रॉस करके रख रहा हूँ, और दैट नंबर वी हैव टू ऐड विथ 19. सो 19 में कौन सा छोटा नंबर है जो ऐड करने से 3 से डिवाइड होगा? सो 19 के बाद कौन सा नंबर 3 से डिवाइड होता है?
21.
21. Very good. So we have to add 2. Sum of its digits should be divisible by 3. Now since 21 is the smallest multiple of 3 which comes after 19, so smallest number to make the number divisible by 3 is 21 minus 19, that is 2. So smallest number आंसर मिल गया. अभी greatest number. So greatest number में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसी 2 में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 3 ऐड करेंगे. So if you add 1 3 you will get 5. If you add 2 3s you will get 8. If you add 3 3s you will get 11. लेकिन 11 possible नहीं है because we have to write here only one digit. तो कौन सा digit possible है यहाँ पर?
8.
8, right. So if we put 8, the sum of the digits will be 27, which is divisible by 3. So therefore the number will be divisible by 3. Hence the largest digit or number is 8 for this blank space. This first question is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second question पे आते हैं हम लोग. Second भी वैसे ही करेंगे हम लोग जैसे अभी किए थे. First we will take the sum of all the given digits. Add
24. 24.
24. Very good. So 24 already 3 से divide होता है. 24 is already divisible by 3.
Yes.
So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे 0 रख देंगे तो भी वो 3 से divide होगा. So that means the smallest digit we can fill in that blank space is 0. अब 0 में 3 ऐड करो, 3. अगेन 2 3 ऐड करो, 6. 3 3 ऐड करो,
9.
9. 4 3s add, you will get 12, which is not possible क्योंकि ये single digit नहीं है. So only the largest digit is possible is 9. We can put here. Okay, if we put 9, the total sum will become 33. 24 plus 9. Okay, now since 33 is divisible by 3, so the number is also divisible by 3. Hence the largest digit is 9. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we are moving towards the last question. Sixth question is the last question of the exercise. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. अभी हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ पर एक x लिख देते हैं. चलो. Okay. So now what are the odd place digits?
9.
9.
9. X.
मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ कि कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. कुछ बुक्स में राइट टू लेफ्ट दिया हुआ है. अगर इसको मान लो राइट टू लेफ्ट करते हैं तो 9 प्लस 3 प्लस 2 होगा. ओके, so let x be placed here. Sum of its digits at odd place, 9 plus 3 plus 2. So we'll get
14.
14. Very good.
14.
Now the unit place, even place digits, 8, x, 9. So we'll get 17 plus x. x को हम लोग ऐड नहीं कर सकते हैं. 17 plus x. और ये दोनों का डिफरेंस जो है वो जो डिफरेंस जो है वो 11 होना चाहिए, 0 होना चाहिए.
3.
ठीक है, तो हम लोग दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. 17 प्लस एक्स माइनस 14. तो x तो हम लोग इसमें से माइनस नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो ये दोनों माइनस करेंगे. 17 माइनस 14,
3.
3. सो 3 प्लस एक्स. अभी ये जो है या तो 0 होना चाहिए या 11. 0 नहीं होगा, राइट, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी 3 प्लस है. तो यहाँ पे क्या नंबर रख सकते हैं जो टोटल 11 आएगा?
8.
राइट, वेरी गुड. So the difference should be 0 or a multiple of 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. Is that clear? Now if 3 plus x is equals to 0, x will become negative, which is not possible because it cannot be negative. Now taking a close multiple of 11 which is near to 3, it is 11 only, which is near to 3. सो 11 में कितना ऐड करने से 3 में कितना ऐड करने से 11 होगा 8. वो 11 और 3 को माइनस कर दो, सो विल गेट 8. सो देयरफॉर द रिक्वायर्ड डिजिट इज 8. ये समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You should not confuse while taking odd place and even place. You can take from left side or right side. अभी देखो मैं लेफ्ट टू राइट ले रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो, डोंट कंफ्यूज. ओके, कहीं से भी ले सकते हैं. 9 plus x plus 8 will get 17 plus x. This is sum of odd place. And even place we will get 14 only. सेम चीज मिल रहा है. अगेन डिफरेंस के लिए माइनस करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई यू शुड नॉट कंफ्यूज विद दिस वन. ओके, सो अब हम लोग लास्ट क्वेश्चन करने जा रहे हैं, 6th क्वेश्चन का बी बिट. अगेन व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल पुट x हियर. यहाँ पे x सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. ओके, यहाँ से ले लो ऑड नंबर 4
4x
4.
x. सो 4 plus 4 plus x. सो इन दोनों को ऐड कर सकते हैं हम लोग, x को नहीं. सो ये हो जाएगा 8 plus x. अभी इवन प्लेस डिजिट्स को यहाँ से 8 9 8. So we'll get 25. Now subtract this two, difference. Okay, अभी ध्यान से देखो, हम लोग जब ब्रैकेट को ओपन करेंगे तो ये वाला माइनस की वजह से इसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. ओके, क्लियर है? When we open the bracket, this sign will change. और 25 minus 8 हो जाएगा 17. So 17 minus x. अभी 17 में कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि वो 11 हो जाएगा? 6. तो आंसर अभी पता चल गया. चलो, लेकिन पूरा स्टेप्स कैसे लिखना देखो. अभी 17 minus x डिफरेंस आ गया. डिफरेंस शुड बी आइदर 0 और मल्टीपल ऑफ 11. तो अगर 0 करते हैं तो ये 0 कब आएगा? जब x 17 होगा, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल क्योंकि सिंगल डिजिट होना चाहिए, राइट? सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 11. सो मल्टीपल ऑफ 11 में वी कांट टेक 22 क्योंकि यहाँ पे 17 से माइनस करना है. सो द नियरेस्ट मल्टीपल इज 11 ओनली. सो 17 में अगर 11 माइनस करते हैं सो विल गेट 6. So therefore the required digit is 6. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the last question of this session. Now we are moving towards the assignment question. I told you the first question I will give homework. So this is the first question of the exercise only. You have to check whether it is divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 2, then you have to write yes. Like that you have to check every numbers for every divisibility test, right? So I will post through Google Classroom this one. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.